What's going on today?
Not much. I just woke up.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are getting ready. Gonna head out. Gonna go north a little bit and gonna help out a lady named Kristy. Her and her husband live in a rental property. The landlord is kind of in a bad way. He was diagnosed with cancer. And then Kristy and her husband don't really have the means to take care of all these trees themselves. So we're getting ready, getting all our gear. We're gonna head out there and we're gonna do these trees for them for free. Now here's the thing. Kristy knows that we're coming to do this, but her husband doesn't know, and the landlord doesn't know that we're coming to do these trees. Kristy's house. And if you can see, there's all these trees growing right next to her wall. Look at all these trees. Everything in this corner here is coming out. This entire row of trees here along the center block wall. These Siberian elms are coming out too. We're gonna have a fun day. Good. Come take a look.
Crazy, I can't believe you did that.
Heck yeah. So we're just finishing up right now.
That's crazy, that looks so
It's amazing. I really appreciate it. I really do.
Hey, no problem. No problem.